my name is Hallie Chancellor. I am a certified child life specialist here at St. Luke's in the Magic Valley. I am the solo child life specialist who covers pediatrics, NICU, the emergency department, and medical imaging. Today, I'm so excited to bring you the Teddy Bear Clinic behind us. It is a great opportunity for kids ages 4 to 7 to experience what they might experience when they come to the hospital for the first time. Whether it's having surgery, whether it's spending the night on our pediatric unit, whether it's taking pictures, whether it's having surgery for the first time, lots of different opportunities for kids to explore through play. Play is a great way to normalize the hospital. So creating different opportunities that you can see for kids to play with different toys related to the hospital. So we have some Playmobiles that help kids learn about surgery. And then we also have some activities like getting stitches for the first time.